Hello, my name is Ayaka. I'm marketing for Takebishi OPC products. Our IoT gateway, Device Gateway supports communication with over 300 series of control devices, PLC, robots, sensors, and so on. Now, Device Gateway is working on these box PCs. It's assumed that they are installed in different factories. A system administrator can remotely change these edge devices or device gateway settings from Ansible Playbook. It's also possible to deploy the settings from edge device gateway to edge device gateway. There are cases where I want to leave the PLC settings and then only change the cloud endpoint to which data is sent by MQTT. That is also possible. So this is a very effective solution when connecting multiple factories, the data to the cloud. A new production line built at the mother plant can be easily launched at the other factories likewise. By using Red Hat Device Edge, which consists of the following three components: Red Hat Enterprise Linux for Edge, and small footprint-oriented OpenShift, namely MicroShift as a container platform, and automation platform Ansible. Takebishi DeviceGateway will be a very powerful device for scalable smart factory deployment. OpenShift makes it possible to link device gateway with host systems like that MES or IoT systems. Automation, provisioning, and configuration can be achieved using Ansible. Thank you.